We are making an exquisite main dish from Turkish cuisine, bohça kebabı or Manisa kebab. It has chicken or meat filling mixed with vegetables like peas and carrots, wrapped inside a crepe, which we call cızlama or akıtma in Turkish. It is topped with bechamel sauce, kaşar cheese and tomatoes. It becomes irresistibly elegant and delicious after it comes out from the oven. So let's make it. Merhaba everyone, I'm Ayşenur Altan. First I'm going to make my akıtmaz or crepes we can say. For this I have 2 eggs, 1 cup milk and 1 cup all-purpose flour. First I'm going to mix everything until it is incorporated and add 1 cup more mix of water and milk. You can make it only with milk or water, it's up to you. And 1 teaspoon salt. Just mix everything well. And our akıtma batter is ready to cook. It's a very thin batter. That's why we call it akıtma. Akıtmak means to pour or drizzle, we can say. And I'm gonna use this non-stick crepe pan for it. Just add about more than 1/3 of a cup and swirl the pan so it coats. And you should do this while the pan is hot enough. And cook both sides until it has golden color. The one side comes out, the first cooked side actually, in golden color, and the second one has some brown spots, and it always cooks like this, just like a crepe. And it's ready like in about 2 minutes. I'm gonna continue to cook all my batter, and it yields about 10 crepes with this batter. While cooking your akıtmaz, you can drizzle some oil and brush it lightly, not too much, from time to time to prevent sticking. And actually you can also make the crepes ahead of time and then freeze it to use whenever you want. That would make the dish even easier to work. So for the filling, I'm cooking about 1/3 of a cup green peas and 1 medium-sized carrot cut in cubes in same size as peas. I'm gonna add them later and begin to saute my filling. I diced 1 medium to big size onion and sauteing in olive oil. I'm gonna use 1 chicken breast. I'm gonna cut it in medium sized cubes. You can also do it with beef or lamb if you like. Just make sure you cook it first and then saute it with the other ingredients. Here the chicken pieces goes after sauteing the onion for about 3 minutes. Adding sweet green peppers. These are from freezer, so they are from summertime. 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. It's up to you. And 1 tomato I peeled and diced it. I'm just gonna let it cook a little bit on side and then mix it with everything else. And since the tomato doesn't have much color, I'm gonna add some tomato paste, not too much, about a teaspoon, and let it cook for 3-4 minutes before again mixing everything. And add the seasonings. I'm gonna use pul biber, red pepper flakes, some black pepper, of course salt, and some oregano. Checking my vegetables. They cooked, almost done. I turn off the heat. As a side dish, I'm gonna make pilav, so I'm soaking my rice in salty hot water, which is a first step to make a fluffy pilav, and I have the pilav recipe on my channel, you can check. By the way, I cooked my vegetables in salty water again. It seasons better like this, and just mix gently everything, and our filling is ready. One more final step before we assemble everything. I'm gonna make bechamel sauce by melting 2 tablespoons butter and adding 2 almost heaped tablespoons all-purpose flour. Just saute until there's a nice nutty smell coming from the flour. You can also add vegetable oil instead of butter, or mix of butter and vegetable oil. And while stirring continuously, add 1 cup of milk. A whisker would be even better, and add half cup more milk, some salt, and cook until it thickens. I'm ready to assemble my kebab, but first I wanted to make my side dish so it can rest too. I usually make my pilav with orzo pasta, but this time I used vermicelli, which both are okay and also traditional. Please check the links for the whole recipe. It's really delicious, one of my favorite side dish at home. I have some kashar cheese and tomatoes. My filling is hot and ready. So the bechamel sauce. To fill the crepes, I'm gonna use a medium-sized bowl. It's very fun and easy to shape, to fill. Just place the akıtma or crepe inside the bowl and fill it generously with the filling. Close the top with the hanging sides of the crepe, and the name actually comes from this shape. Bohça means to bundle. It's a big tradition. When you get married, the families of the bride and groom give gifts to each other and they bundle it in different fabrics, and we call it bohça too. So I continue to fill the crepes or akıtmas with the filling and use this deep dish oval baking pan, because in total I'm gonna make 7 bohça kebab. You can use bigger sizes if you're gonna make all 10 of it. And I'm going to cover the bohças with the bechamel sauce. Add generously grated kashar cheese or mozzarella cheese would be nice too. And finally top it with small tomato halves. And it's ready to cook in 200 Celsius degree preheated oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. Since everything is cooked, we are just looking for a golden color on top and some sizzles. It is also easy to serve since we have individually wrapped kebabs. My şehriyeli pilav with vermicelli pasta is also looking hot and fluffy. Let me show you how it looks inside. very juicy, soft with the bechamel sauce and everything. Just get a bit from the pilav and the kebab and enjoy. I did take some photos for Instagram Turkish food travel. You can follow me and see what I'm cooking before sharing on YouTube. So give it a try and enjoy this heavenly bohça kebab. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in another delicious Turkish food recipes and travel vlogs. Afiyet olsun.